Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to try and just do another quick video. Probably going to be some fast forwarding, so hopefully you like those kind of videos. If not, please just let me know in the comments and we'll try and change it for the future. I'm going to plan next week in February. And let me find February. This week we're gonna do this week the decoration idea that I decided on was to decorate the four corners, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna use I'm sure you can guess, but Modern Farmhouse. I just keep we're getting so close, I'm pulling out pages, it's getting so thin, and I am on a mission to use a sticker book up. And in Modern Farmhouse, I have a full page of florals, which I figure would be perfect for the corners. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, I forgot to print off a habit tracker, so that's gonna be not there, but I will add it in later. Like I said, I'll add the habit tracker later, but that's what I got. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.